Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix this type of error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all in the search box type of services, open services, and after doing this step find out a print spoiler. So open up print spoiler and make sure that is selected automatic and click on apply and OK button. And after doing this step, close it. And after doing this step, go to your registry editor. Open registry editor and right click on run as administrator. After that, click on H key local machine and expand it. After doing this, select a system and expand it. Select a current control set and expand it. Select a control and expand it. Select a scroll down and find out a print. Select a print and expand it. Select a environments and expand it. Select a Windows x64 and expand it. Select a print for processors and expand it. Select a WinPrint, and after doing this that right click and delete the color C60V4 and delete it. Click yes to continue and close the registry editor. And after doing this that in the search box type a print management. Open print management, click on all printers. If the name shows that color C60V4 PCRL6, then delete it. So in my case it's not shown. Close it, and after doing this step, go to your services, select find out a print spoiler and make sure that is selected automatic and click on apply and OK button and close it. And after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.